Hi plums, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you my everyday morning routine with all my tips and tricks on how to achieve a glowing skin. Thank you so much for watching. I will link down the products below in case any of you want to get them. And tell me what you think about my morning routine. Tell me if it works for you, if it doesn't. As you noticed, I don't really wash my face. I only use a bamboo pad with micellar water. I would love to know what you guys think and what other kind of beauty routine you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next week.